Hello, this is James Cate, and this is my Cell City project. We had to build a city with each structure uh, representing the a structure in a cell. Uh, so let's get started. Over here we have our town hall, or the nucleus. This town hall represents the nucleus because the nucleus of a cell is kind of the central command unit of the whole cell, tells it everything to do. Um, and that's kind of what a town hall is in a city. Next, we have the pillar of this town hall. A pillar adds support, and it adds a little bit of structure, as a cytoskeleton would do for a cell. Over here, we have the most beautiful car ever, and the gas in the car is kind of like the flagellum because it helps with movement. Over here, we have the storage room, or the storage house. Uh, it is used to store stuff, store just about anything. There are a bunch of chests in there. Um, this represents a vacuole because vacuoles would do the same thing in cells. They store, food and water depending on the cell. Over here we have a construction office. A construction office is in charge of organizing all the construction in the city. Um, just as a centriole is needed for organization in a cell. Over here we have a pig breeding shack. Uh, these are the nucleus because they provide or they create pigs. Um, or sorry, the nucleolus. They create pigs, which creates protein for the city. Um, and in a cell, a nucleolus provides or makes ribosomes, and ribosomes create proteins. Over here, we have a ribosome. It's kind of like a slaughterhouse in a city, because a slaughterhouse you can get protein from it from the pigs or the cows, whatever you're, you know, killing. But yeah. Over here we have a McDonald's. It represents the ER, or the endoplasmic reticulum. Uh, this represents the ER it because in a McDonald's there are carbs and there are proteins and there are uh, lipids all being made inside this McDonald's as in a ER. Over here we have a UPS store. Um, it is used for packaging and transporting goods all over a city, as a Golgi apparatus would do for a cell. Over here we have a solar panel that creates energy for the for the city, and it represents the mitochondria because the mitochondria does the same thing for a cell. Now over here we have a recycling plant. A recycling plant pretty much takes up a bunch of waste and and digests it and kind of makes it into something useful. And that's basically what the lysosomes do. They pick up all our bad stuff, all the bad waste, and turn it into something good. Um, Over here, all the villagers in here, when it's nighttime, they go in buildings, but they are the cytoplasm because they really keep the um the city together as cytoplasm would in real life. And these guys would be the cell membrane because they control what goes in and out. So if I spawn a zombie, I have to change the difficulty. If I spawn a zombie, like something bad, then they will attack it and get it out. but they won't attack anything good, like say, a pig or protein, or maybe like a villager. But they won't attack any of that, but they will attack zombies. So yeah, that's my project. Thanks for watching.